Alright, so there's our hotel over there. Figured I'd walk over here to this hotel right next door. And I filmed the air conditioners. Over there is an American Standard, which is running on a low ambient kit right now. I'm not gonna talk because of that window over there. And then here's this thing. I'm not sure what this is. It's not running. I might see if might come back later today and see if it's running. It's kind of chilly right now, so. Or next time it might be running. With the only thing is it'll be October next time, so it might be cold then. Alright. Yeah. So alright, here's some more to sleep in.